Hello guys, welcome to this particular section of this video. In this video, I'll talk about what polymorphism is. Polymorphism is one of the four main pillars of object-oriented programming, along with that of encapsulation, inheritance, and abstraction. The word polymorphism means manifold. It allows the same function or method to behave differently based on object that occurs. You think of it like human being walking, a dog walking, and a cat walking. The action working is the same, but each move differently. That's polymorphism. Same action, different behavior. Just the real world, when something all have the same action, but they all behave differently. So how does polymorphism work? In Python, polymorphism can be implemented in multiple ways. The two most common ways are the method overriding and method overloading. So what is exactly is that method overriding? When a child class provide a different implementation for a method that already exists in the parent class, we call that method overriding. So let me make an example. Let's create a example of method overriding. Let's call class. For you to understand this, you need to have a little bit should have watched my introduction to OOP. So class, let's give it animals. Let's say animal. Let's say make a sound. Let's create a function, make sound, for example. It's going to take the self. Let's say print. Now I'm going to explain what all these things does. Some generic animal sound. I'm going to create other classes that's going to inherit from this of our animal class. So let me just copy. Okay, no. Let me just create another class. Let me call that class dog. It's going to inherit from animal class. Let's create another method with the same name, make sound. Okay, no, I don't want to use super make. It's called sound. What's going on? Say make sound. It's going to take the self and say print dog sound back. Okay, so let's go create for that of let's say for cat. It's going to be cat. It's also going to inherit from that of animal class. So it's going to make say cat sound. MEOU. So what is actually happening here? This class cat and this class dog are directly inheriting from this of animal class. I know in that of animal class we'll have this make sound. So this we can call this a method that we're not doing any much thing under here. I don't want to make this thing so complex. So I'm going to just this is not doing much, just to print out generic sound that because that's what we did here. What is actually happening here? Like when I explained that what a method overriding is, like I said when a class a child class provide a different implementation for the method that already exists. This make sound is already exists inside this of our parent class. So this child class tends to provide or make or to give another method that already exists inside this of our animal. So if we are to run this, let's want to get cat sound, for example. I can say my cat, for example. This is a variable. I can say cat. Okay. When I say cat, I can say my cat print my cat dot make sound. This make sound is a method that I want to call, which is going to be this. When I call this guy is going to be printed out. So let's run it. You can see I got cat sound meow. I got this none. For me to not get it, I have to return it. And since I'm already storing it in a variable, so I need this cat sound to be stored inside here. So let me turn this to return. So let me run it again. You can see cow sign meow. The same thing applicable to dog. I can come here, okay, dog. Well, even though it's in sky, but it doesn't matter. So let's say, okay, let me change it to my dog. My dog don't make sound. You can see I was able to get dog sound back. So let me try getting these animals. Say my animal. As I was able to get this, I was able to get this some generic animal sound. Come on, even though even though this method already exists in the parent class, I was able to a different provide a different implementation for the method that already existed in this of our parent class. So that's just basically what we've riding is. In the next video, we're going to talk about what overloading is exactly and when it comes to polymorphism. So I think we'll end here for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.